is going on, guys? It is Justin with Extreme Customs, and today we're going to be taking a look at a method wheel. This is the MR305. You'll see it's a 17 by 8.5. This wheel does not have an offset. That's what's up.
That's what's up.
Check out that center cap.
That looks like a bullet.
It does. It looks like a bullet head.
This looks like a bullet wheel. Yo, this is dope.
I like that.
I like this wheel a lot.
So it's got the imitation bead lock. It has the, I guess, bronze bolts on the outside and the bronze wheel. Pretty nice. Sick.
I would definitely buy these at ExtremeCustoms.com, folks.